We'll put another one. See if we have something.
Yo, Mike, I'm out of here, man. What you doing with these? Beat me down. If I get one, you gotta get one too. Where the fuck we gonna go with this shit, man? That shit looks badass, though. Four-wheel steer, reverse. Oh, man. That shit looks good. Put out 9 years. Get intimidated by that lot.
With the looking cars came back with bites, small bite. Right here. Come on, let's go.
Yeah.
Getting out of here?
Yeah, I gotta roll, man. All right, see you later. See you later.
Mike.
What's up, Ray?
Hey,
How you doing,
brother?
All right.
How you doing? I got family, man.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's up, baby?
How's it going? I heard everybody's having issues with signal.
It's a rough day.
Oh man.
I'm having running issues, not really signal issues, knock on wood, you know, but we'll get it, you know, try to get the job done, hopefully.
So what are you running? Just the dragster?
Yeah.
No Baja?
I don't know the Baja.
Oh, you don't know Baja? What's up, man?
Talking about you, you're right
How y'all
here.
doing, man? How you guys doing?
How you doing?
How's it going so far?
Just waiting to get paired up, man.
I left that shit home, man. I know this is an HPI event. I ain't gonna waste my time today.
It's crazy.
I'm gonna try to stick that engine in something else and shit. I don't.
Get a motor for to extend the chassis.
Yeah. I'm gonna try something different.
If you kind of dial in it,
Yeah.
you know it'll take it.
Yeah, I heard a few guys already had problems. Motor gel went out of control and shit.
It's up top.
Everybody's running slower too.
Oh. Shit.
Let's see what happens.
Good. There's a lot of nice shit out here today. So it's about to start now? Yeah. All right.